Plant FAQs, Equisetum giganteum. My journey with Equisetum giganteum. I've always been fascinated by plants. Growing up, I spent hours exploring the green spaces around my home, captivated by the diverse flora. One plant, in particular, has stood out in my botanical adventures, Equisetum giganteum. Commonly known as giant horsetail, this prehistoric plant has intrigued me with its unique characteristics and potential benefits. What is Equisetum giganteum extract? Equisetum giganteum, or giant horsetail, is a fern-like plant that has been around since the age of dinosaurs. Its extract is derived from the stems of this plant and is renowned for its high silica content. This silica is vital for many bodily functions, including bone health, skin elasticity, and hair strength. The extract is often used in herbal supplements and skincare products. Why is Equisetum giganteum beneficial? The primary reason Equisetum giganteum is beneficial is due to its silica content. Silica is an essential trace element in the human body, contributing to the formation of collagen, which is crucial for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, silica aids in the absorption of calcium, improving bone density and joint health. Beyond its silica content, Equisetum giganteum extract also contains antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. This makes it a valuable addition to both dietary supplements and topical skincare formulations. How to use Equisetum giganteum extract. Using Equisetum giganteum extract can be as simple as incorporating it into your daily routine. For dietary supplements, follow the recommended dosage on the product label, usually in the form of capsules or tinctures. When it comes to skincare, look for creams, serums, or lotions that list Equisetum giganteum extract as an ingredient. These products can help improve skin elasticity and hydration. What are the growth conditions for Equisetum giganteum? Growing Equisetum giganteum requires specific conditions to thrive. This plant prefers wet, marshy environments and can often be found near streams, ponds, or other bodies of water. It thrives in full to partial sunlight and can grow in a variety of soil types, although it prefers sandy or loamy soil that is consistently moist. If you plan to grow Equisetum giganteum in your garden, ensure that the area remains wet and receives adequate sunlight. Be cautious, though, as this plant can be invasive and may spread rapidly if not controlled. How to care for Equisetum giganteum. Caring for Equisetum giganteum is relatively straightforward. The key is to maintain its preferred wet conditions. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry periods. Mulching can help retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Since the plant can become invasive, consider planting it in a container or a designated garden area to prevent unwanted spreading. Fertilization is not usually necessary, as Equisetum giganteum can obtain sufficient nutrients from the soil and water. However, if the plant appears unhealthy or is not growing as expected, a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer can be applied sparingly. How to propagate Equisetum giganteum. Propagating Equisetum giganteum can be done through division or spores. The most common method is division, where a mature plant is separated into smaller sections, each with its own root system. This should be done in early spring or late fall when the plant is not actively growing. To propagate via spores, collect the spores from the plant's cone-like structures and sow them in a moist, sandy substrate. Keep the substrate consistently wet and in a shaded area until the spores germinate and young plants begin to emerge. What to plant with Equisetum giganteum. When planting Equisetum giganteum in your garden, consider pairing it with other moisture-loving plants. Suitable companions include ferns, marsh marigolds, and hostas. These plants not only share similar growth requirements, but also complement the architectural beauty of Equisetum giganteum, creating a lush and diverse landscape. Conclusion. My journey with Equisetum giganteum has been a fascinating exploration of this ancient plant's unique qualities and benefits. From its high silica content to its striking appearance, Equisetum giganteum is a plant that offers both beauty and utility. Whether you're interested in its health benefits or its aesthetic appeal, this remarkable plant is worth discovering and incorporating into your life.